Okay, I specifically now make sure that I'm not late, or else I get yelled at by Diamante. Just saying. Don't really want to be yelled at, so I'm here on time. Okay, okay, awesome sauce. Let us do this. Hey Thomas, how you doing? How's it going? How has the trading been going, by the way? Has it, well, actually, you always like have green days, but still. But still. Hey Shorts, how you doing? You're back. Just being up when I'm not supposed to. Wait. You make it sound like you have a bedtime. Do you have a bedtime, Thomas? Sorry, I know you don't. You just do your own thing. Ethan, what's up? Hi. How you doing, Ethan? Are we ready for today? Looks like we're slowly going back up. We're gonna pull this overextended amazing session yesterday. Sorry, I'm calling it an amazing session because obviously I had a goodie, but anyways. It's an uptrend, yep. Oh, amazing. Well done, Thomas. So you also in the green. Technically it's nearly now. Okay, sorry, my bad. Good morning slash evening slash afternoon to everyone and wherever you're at. Hey, Brightest Future, what's up? James, how you doing? So, again though, Thomas, I feel like 90% of the time you're just having green trades. When was the last, no, maybe let's not jinx it, but I want to say, like, when was the last time you had a loss? Again, maybe I shouldn't be asking that, but still. I'm low-key curious. It did tap into NWOG from ages ago, but still. Hey, David. I think the box you just threw open. Oh, was it the 5-minute one? I mean, there was a lot in there. There was the 5-minute orb, there was the first presented fair value gap, and there was the 9:30 AM range. So pick one. Basically, you can have a pick. Mike M, it's 3 AM. Why are you awake? Ethan, you're gonna switch to the vertical? Okay, cool. How you doing, David? Enza, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Okay, everything's working. Well, I do lose every once in a while. It usually happens on stupid trades. If I have an A+ setup, then usually goes my way. So, wait. Are you saying sometimes you take non-A+?
That's what she said!
Are you saying you take non-A+ setup trades sometimes, Thomas? Okay, New York high. Awesome sauce. Cool. Cool. Now, let's check out today's. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Asia low is literally equal lows as well. Like nearly to the tick equal lows. Wow, that's juicy. That is very juicy. Okay.
That's what she said!
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, David. Let's Sorry, I'm not responding. I will respond now. I'm just marking out all of this. I have to also check the higher time frames. Let's get ourselves ready. Let me also mark out 3 a.m. open quick sticks. Okay, 3 a.m. open was meh, well, lack of a better word. There we go. Okay, I'm back. Damien, you think the Scream is the best? Yep. Sometimes I take B and C grade when I'm being impatient. I try not to do that, but yeah, no, Thomas, that's valid. To not take those is sometimes hard because you're like, this could be amazing. Or it could not. Hey, Shorts, what's that? What's what? About traveling trees on it. Ooh, okay, Trade Delicious. I'm gonna have to go and have a looky see. Wanna send me the link? This is so cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm busy watching this now. Okay, I'm gonna have to have a watch now. Sorry, Trade Delicious, I'm definitely... So, wait, Trade Delicious, when are you gonna come to South Africa, by the way? Come on. When is it South Africa's turn? When are you gonna come this side of the world? We got 5 screen for trading. Everything's an A+ setup if it hits TP. Thomas, I love that. Boom Banana, how you doing, Boom? How goes it? Overkills? Damn, Damien. James, how many days have I been trading for? Nearly a year. In April is a year, so haven't even been trading for a year yet. Please, Trade Delicious, come on, it'll be so much fun. Oh, yeah, where's the next location? If I can say that. But I think South Africa would be so much fun. You can come do a lot in South Africa. It'll be awesome. Everybody, Boom says, hey, what's up? Ethan, your tea is ready. Awesome. James, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How goes it? How you doing, James? How long have you been... Yeah, how long have you been trading for? Okay, well, I know nothing about any of that, but who thinks who's gonna win the FIFA World Cup, if anyone knows or potentially cares about that? Sorry, I'm really bad with that type of sports stuff. Could sleep on my couch. Hell yeah, you can, Boom. Might not be very comfy, but you're more than welcome to. James, trade silver, that's the easiest bull market as of right now. So, James, when I started, sorry, the wind's picking up. I'm trying to decide if I need it. It's fine. I started with the Nasdaq futures, and I kind of said, damn. Sorry, I didn't say damn. I kind of said when I started, I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around. So I have kind of looked at gold a little bit. It feels, sorry for all of those that have heard this like 1,000 times. It feels very foreign because I'm not used to it. I'm so used to Nasdaq being a diva. It's weird how you get used to a chart, if that makes sense. Boom, you know what? If you want to pay for him, be my guest. He's so expensive. But you know, if you want to pay for him, go ahead. I won't stop you. Ah, look at that. Interesting. Okay, well, taking out Asia High now. That was a nice push to the upside. Let's quickly check out the 5-minute. Wow, this is actually quite a hectic move for Asia. What is going on? Anyways, 15-minute. That was a very nice little retrace back down into there. 1 hour. Let me block out all the noise for a minute. We're about to tap into this bit of an order block on the 1 hour and 4 hours. Stop it. Sorry. Washed my hair this morning, so now guess what? It doesn't cooperate. Sorry, I know no one asked for hair updates, but it's what you get. Damn. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a sweep of equal lows with distribution for the new high.
That's what she said.
I was wow. Careful, Boom. I will put you on timeout for a minute. You have been warned. Just saying. James, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, Damien. Zube? Don't know if that's the wisest choice, but sure. Sure. Got these relative equal lows. Do we think this is gonna want to come and find these equal lows here on Asia? Like, I mean, it's literally, it's Asia low and equal lows. There's a lot of liquidity sitting there. One minute. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, I went there. I went there. Sorry, I always do think, if people say I dare you, I'm like, okay, bet. It's like my one, I'm gonna say weakness. Maybe not weakness, that's the wrong wording, but it's okay. Okay, let's not rush into things either. Like I said, this now has taken out. For Boom, sad for Boom, there we go. Okay, so Asia High has officially been taken. We've now had London open there. Okay. Wow, the markets are... Is there news today? Does anyone know? Oh, I see there's a little bit of news later. High impact. Always high impact. Cool. Before New York session. If this entry... Essentially, if this entry was a little bit higher, I would have said, actually, this is not bad. But, alas, it is not. Hey Zubair, am I bullish or bearish? Well, right now I'm bullish. Oh! Give me a second, 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 give me a second. Might be. Bam, bam.
That's what she said.
Give me a second.
Michael.
Thomas, I'm just making sure I add you to everything. Whee! It's very frustrating that you have to do this by hand, but it's fine. Thomas, I got you. Thomas, do you know all the commands, by the way? And I'm coming, I'm coming. And last one. Okay, Thomas, you should have
That's
access.
what she said.
Michael.
There we go. Ethan, you finished your tea. Nice. But Thomas says if you, I'll send them to you. I'll send them to you on Discord. Anyways, let's do this. Let's focus for a second. So who's bullish, who's bearish? This now tapped into this fair value gap and is proceeding higher. We think this wants to take out New York high. It just took out Asia high. We're going to the next level. That was... Sorry, my game. Have to do is work out. I have 4 seconds. What? Mic in? Oh, mic, yeah. No, I'm locking in. How does this look on the 5 minute? I mean, that doji's not great on the 5 minute, is it? I do like that, and I do like that. 2, 3. Could go back to opening price. You check 1 hour again. Yeah, tapped into this order block on the 1 hour. And the 15 minute. Okay, back to the 1 minute. How big is this? So this would have been that. You know that you can buy a big bag of one big... What? Hi, life, what's up? No, Ethan, I didn't know you could do that. Where can you do that? That's quite cool. You can buy one big bag of a specific flavored jelly bean. It's a very valid question, though. Very valid question. Which flavor would you get? We need a good morning. Hey, hi life, how are you? I'm good, I'm good. I'm just waiting to see on this price action. I think it wants just, like I said, it just took out Asia highs. Is it now gonna continue to the buy side? So who's thinking buys, who's thinking bulls? I still am not hating the buys. That being said, it could retest further into this massive freaking fair value gap that the Asia session made. Wild, but anyways. Did you like both streams? There we go. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like both streams. Or else, according to some guy, if you don't like the stream, you get losses. Yeah, I don't make the rules. This is what someone else told me. It happened. No, I'm joking. Waiting for first fair value gap to be reversed. Zubair? Ethan, that lost you about 3. Do I ever get grilled before I trade? Damien, do you mean like, do people ask me or judge a potential trade? Is that what you're asking? Because the answer is yes. All the time. It's a bit bullish, yeah. Wait for... Hey, Trader Joe. Are you South African? Sorry. Oh! My poor little innocent brain. No. I didn't even clock that's what you were asking. No, I don't. Hey DLM, what's up? Are you in the long? Hey, little Chillo, what's up? Hey Mike, would you pay? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How's it going? BJ or Marty, what's up? No, not you, Marty. I'm talking about Trader Joe. I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, maybe this would have been a goodie. I was waiting for confirmation that this could have retested after taking Asia high. So again, I had valid reason for not taking it. Could have done a further retest down. Asia high tends to hold quite a bit of liquidity. If it works out nicely though, then I'm happy. It means that things are working well. This price action would have sucked. Ow. Anyways, I like what that's exactly. Good grief.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even
Oh, that's my trading view handle. I got. Oh, got it, Marty. Got it. I don't know. With the Joe, it made me think South African. Yeah. It's reversing from first big value gap out of yesterday. The first presented of yesterday. Okay. Wait, but you think it's reversing? Didn't you say you were in a long? Benjamin? My top? My red shirt? Is that what you're asking me? I'm wearing a... Yeah. But Lil, if I got in on this one, like I said, I was waiting for confirmation for this. Maybe it was a mistake, maybe it wasn't. I had valid reason to not take it. It had just taken out Asia high, which means it could have potentially retraced further down. But my entry would have looked like this. So let's see, just because I didn't take it, it's probably going to be a winning trade. I'm aware of my luck. Let's see. Hey Shadeen, what's up? Reversing upwards. Okay. Wasn't the first presented up here though? Now you've got me confused. Cause here, no, wait. Nope, yep. This was the first presented. Oh wait, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Never mind. Got it, Zube. Got it. Again, I would have liked to have seen a little bit more of a push. A little bit more of a push to the buy side. Okay. This is essentially what my trade would have looked like. Reasoning for not taking it was because it took out Asia high. And there's a lot of juicy Asia sell side liquidity. So I need confirmation of, is this continuation to the buy side, or are we going to start dropping now? Okay, grief. Hey, chimp. How many did I put for this trade? Well, if I took the trade, again, I didn't take the trade, guys. I'm not in a trade. If I did, it would have been around 5 contracts. Damien? What? Which? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, can I call you Field? Sorry, my brain had a mini meltdown there, reading that. Can I call you Field? Is that fine? What's up, Field? So, have I looked into quarterly theory? A few people have mentioned it to me. I haven't really looked into it. Let me actually make a note of it. Quarterly theory. Let me get my notepad. Quarterly theory, awesome. Like I said, I haven't really looked into it, but a lot of people have mentioned it. Shiden, you're so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate it. I think. I'll go with it. I'm definitely not, but I will accept the compliment. That's very sweet of you. Anyways, how long has, to anyone that's new, first of all, welcome. Anyone that is new to this channel, massive shout out to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Give me a second, I need to find my wait. Where are my fireworks? Oh, there. Whee! To anyone that is new, again, welcome. Give me a second. There we go. Ta-da! Sorry, multitasking is a thing. Gotta learn how to multitask when you do this. I work hard. Yeah. What time frame is this? I'm on the 1 minute currently. I do get confirmation from the 5 minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour. Some would argue maybe I'm looking at too many time frames and potentially confusing myself. Okay, let's ask a question for the more experienced traders. If you're new and you don't know, obviously you don't have to answer. Or you can answer with your thoughts. You know, everyone's thoughts are valid. Trading on the 1 minute, obviously entry and. Which are the best time frames to look at to get your bias? Because I know if you sometimes look at too many, it can get a little bit confusing and overwhelming. I tend to look 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Maybe that's too many time frames. But yeah, would love to hear your opinions. Equal content, month 5, quarterly theory ideas. Ah, thanks HJK, I appreciate it. Zubair, are you break even? Okay, I've been messing around with it on 22 minute. What? Sorry, Field, what? Sorry, I've never heard of people using the 22 minute time frame. Hey Alex, am I in this trade? No. So I specifically didn't take this trade for one particular reason, and that was the fact that it just took out Asia highs. So I'm waiting for confirmation of if this is going to be continuation or reversal, especially on the 5 minute. There's a huge doji, which always gets me a little bit like, this could potentially be a reversal. So waiting for confirmation. This is where my entry would have been if it hadn't have taken out the Asia high though. So I guess it's low-key forward testing to test if I was correct in thinking that it just took out Asia high, this could now start dropping. Or maybe I was dumb and I should have just taken it, right? But let's not be silly geese. Like I said, Monday and Tuesday hit me like a rock. Yesterday was awesome. I went up $500 yesterday from one trade, so that was really good. Oopsies. Rachira, Maya works hard. I think, well, higher time frame for the win. Damien? Wait, which higher time frames do you use, Damien? $30 minutes, good. 30 minutes. So Alex, I haven't really looked at the 30 minutes. I'll just play out on 3 minutes if you need extra confluence. What? Sorry, Davey, I'm like, see, this is so interesting. You think the 3 minute works out better than the 5 minute. Why is that? Oh, cheers, Ethan. Okay, enjoy. So HJK, you look at daily 1 hour and enter on the 5 minute. 4 hour for bias, then 15-minute for point of interest. But the daily can work as well. Also, hey OTT, how you doing? Okay, so Zubair, you kind of do what I do by the sounds of things. I just don't really look at the... Oh, frick, sorry. Get it? Frick. Okay, my bad. Here's the Discord link. I'll sort it out for the next stream, I promise. For anyone that is new that would like to join the Discord, more than welcome to. Here is the link. Oh, really? What's up? Swing traders make more money statistically. Damien? OTT, you know what? We can't complain. We can't complain. We're doing good. So OTT, I'm not sure if you were here when I said. So this technically was an A+ setup. However, I didn't take it because of the fact that it just took out Asia high. But that being said, this kind of looks like it's coiling and it might shoot up to the buy side now. But I said it was a little bit risky because it just took out Asia high. This could go either way. This could shoot down to get some sell side liquidity before continuation up. I mean, it could just be shooting down forever. It could go up, down, or sideways. It's the market. Moving on. Like Sam would say, it's twisted. There we go. Gotta learn from the best, right? Boom banana, what's a miracle?
That's what she said.
In the middle of the gap. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Kind of goes with and okay, that's very sorry. I'm going back to the 22-minute. That was very interesting. So Damien, you do the 4 hour and daily because you do more swing trading, right? Ngo, what up? What a miracle! What's a miracle, boom? Only trade on 1 minute using setups from over the market is choppy. I'll use 5 minute as substitution to 1 minute. That's interesting. Liar, it works well with SMC as well. See? Hey Solly, what's up? How's it going? The 3 minutes for structure, 500 tools of entry stream. Oh, that you made Boom, what did I do to you? Boom woke up and chose violence today. Oh my goodness. Boom woke up and chose violence. Chidin, this is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Bacon, banana, cheese sandwich? Damien? What? Use the right cons for the first time. Yeah. OTT, facts. Nah, it's fun. Hey Delanja, what's up? How's it going? Trees? Trees, this is specifically for you. Just, yeah, trees, this is for you.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Yeah, that's just for you, trees. Okay. Moving on. Swiftly! Moving on swiftly. Oh, Chin, you're welcome. Devin, thanks for that. Most I've made in one trade. Oh, actually it would probably be this $500 because I put the correct amount of contracts and I had a little bit of a runner. It's my trade from yesterday. Yeah. There we go, this trade. So TP was here, but I left one runner that was taken out lower. Yeah, and then I can see that this trade also would have actually been a winning trade, but the cons were a little bit high. I obviously did not want to now go and give back potentially all the liquidity, all the liquidity I've just gotten, all the green I just gotten. Ah, okay, let's see. It looks like it's going in my favor. Well, okay, no, I'm speaking a bit too soon. But it would still be sitting in the positives. Popped in there. Hasn't gone lower. Part of me is trying to decide if I should take this, but because it's now just consolidating, potentially not. What time is it also? Time plays a factor. 3:36 in the morning. Okay, so we're not close to 4 just yet. What do you mean you're not seeing the chart? Tazen, so RR is well, it's always 1 to 2 R, but like I said, I take a partial at what's this, 1.59. Basically, I take a partial at the high because it has happened before where it takes out the high, just misses TP, and then reverses. So I take partials and go to break even when it takes out the high. Full TP is at 1 to 2 R, and then in general, depending on the price action, I do leave a runner. Yeah. Bang words, don't jinx it, valid. Where you at? Which one you on? I can, but you're not gonna see much. How about that? Can you see more there? Ta-da! Anyways. Hey, Rip, what's up? You're well up. Oh, sorry, now I'm answering.
That's what she said.
What's up? How's it going? No, what? Okay, the brain stopped functioning for a minute. Anyways. Kazin, what do you trade? What's your thing? What's your thing, chicken wing? Sorry, that was weird. I'm gonna stop that. How long have I been trading? Not even a year yet. Yeah, April will be a year. Super exciting. Yeah. But April indeed shall be a year. We're getting there. We're getting there. NQ and ES mainly. And how long have you been trading for? Really? I appreciate that. Thank you. No, it's, to be fair, it is from this amazing community. They have taught me so much. They really have taught me so much. And the more you know, the better. Literally, when I started this time last year, don't judge me. This time last year, I didn't even know what a candle was. With regards to the charts, obviously I knew what a normal candle was, you light it, anyways. But I didn't know that these were called candles. I didn't know this was the body. I didn't know what this was the wick. I thought you could only buy to earn. Like, my idea of trading was more investing. I didn't even know day trading was really a thing. I didn't know you could sell contracts to earn money. I was super confused because people were like, I made money, and it was going down, and I was like, how? Yeah, looking back, I'm a bit like almost embarrassed for my previous self. Like, damn, how did you not know this stuff? Tazian, 2 years. Oh, and how's it going, Tazian? Are we successful, profitable, still learning, still getting there? Yeah. Damn, David, that was harsh. How many challenges have I failed? Whoa. Oh, that's mean. That's a mean question. I don't even know at this point. maybe 4 or 5. Yeah, I want to say 4 or 5. I think I failed 4 or 5 challenges. And this eval I've been on, touch wood, for like the past 3 months. I haven't blown it. Like I said, it's been like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, but it's those steps forward. And the problem was that 1 step back would normally knock my confidence, so I wouldn't put the correct amount of contracts in for the winning trades. Yeah. Anyways, I digress. But point is, yeah, it's been a journey, and it hasn't even been a year. It's actually wild to think about. There's no candles. High life, there has to be candles in South Africa with all the freaking power outages. Everyone has candles in South Africa. But anyways. My memory, if the house, I'll ask you again. Rip, I'm gonna pretend I'm blind and I didn't read that. What? I'll send it afterwards. I'm so sorry. I did. I completely forgot. I'm so sorry. Damn, Solly. Oh my gosh. Pleb. Why? Jodo, what's up? Very important month. Some people were born. High life? Is your birthday in April? Learning. So for you to pick up the concept of cancel contract time zone entries. Oh, thanks, Tazen. I hope I'm saying your name correctly, by the way. But yeah, I appreciate that. It is a lot. But it's amazing. I mean, this looks like it's headed in my favor. Very slowly. I'm not in this trade, but still nice to know I potentially had the correct idea for it. Hey King, what's up? And she's either passing it this month or failing it this month because she's using the right cons, right? Yes. Heck yeah. I'm not vertically challenged. I'm like normal height. If you take 4 RR, you can have a 30% success rate and still be profitable. I know, but being the key word there. Like I said, this strategy can be enhanced or a higher R. Yeah. Just yeah. Oh, I met you, so sweet.
That's what she said.
No, goodbye. What to say when you gotta ask for it? Oh my goodness. Ngu, I pray every time I place a trade. Does it work? Hey Hammer, what's up? Sorry, I think I was a bit late with responding to you. How goes it? Brain trading? What's up? I'm from South Africa. Welcome to the chaos. But yeah, I am indeed South African. Believe it or not. I might have to go see what my dog's barking at, but it's okay. Okay. Is anyone in on this trade right now, by the way? Zubair, are you in on this? In on this? It makes it sound like this is like a scandal. But yeah, who's in the trade right now? So this would have been my trade. Maybe I should have taken it. Like I said, my reasoning for not taking it was valid. Brain, where are you from? Why are you drinking 1 liter of coffee? This is not a liter. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe I just have small hands, and maybe I'm teeny tiny. Okay, that's what he's barking at. Let me quickly close the windows. The monkeys are here. Give me 2 seconds.
That's what she said.
Michael! Okay, I'm back. If it doesn't gain that open high, hard, short on the cards. Damien, that's what I was kind of anticipating. $346. No, this might want to come and take out the highs. Especially at around the 4 AM, it might want to take out the highs. Let's see. That ain't a mug, that's a joke. Prats, what happened? Can do a lot with that. Like what, Boom? What can you do with this? Market sucks right now, Zubair. Are you in on this? Also, maybe I need a liter of coffee to cope. Huh? Huh? Rip, did you ever think about that? No. Maybe I just need a liter of coffee to just proceed with my day like a normal human being. Oh, goodness. About gym equipment hardware for never using. Okay, here's that drop. Cool. Hey, Augustine, what's up? With regards to what? What are you asking with regards to? What's happening on the markets? What's the noise that you hear? Because that noise that sounds like rain is actually monkeys running over my roof. Oh, Hazen, you subscribed. Nice. Also, Boom, I can't believe you posted that in Discord. I'm off to bed. Oh, cheers, Thomas. Cheers. See you hopefully for the New York session. I'm not addicted to coffee. I have only 1 mug a day. Listen here. Listen here. Toyota Lawrence. I mean, like I said, you don't know. What if I'm like super tiny and this is a normal size mug? It's pretty standard size. I might be lying, but it's standardish. Oh, that's not true. I never bully you. When have I bullied you, Boom? Okay, it's going down. I'm yelling timber. Tiny is great. Good. Great, not really, but okay. Okay, wait, give me a second. I forgot the upstairs windows and I
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Why is there sad music? Anyways, you know what I just actually thought about? OTT, you still here? Where you at, OTT? Augustine, is that a great share? Thank you. Why am I seeing crypto traders now? I'm not a crypto trader. What's up? Shifted perception? Hey, Win? Oh my goodness, wait. Thanks, brain! OTT, oh cool, so OTT is still here, which means... Y'all are judging my mug so bad. Anyways, OTT, what I wanted to ask, very seriously, was, when are you streaming? Just asking out of curiosity. Dude, oh damn. It is OTT. It is a good question. I'm waiting. Hey Tyson, how's it going? Oh, thanks, Win. How's it going? No, it's not. I trade futures on the weekend when markets close. Wait, you trade futures on the weekend or you trade crypto on the weekend, Damien? Now I'm confused. Now you hurt my brain. It's an above ground pool for very sadly. It's not okay. Oh my gosh. Jealous though? Also, can I just say, I've been using this mug for like ages. Why are you now only realizing the size of it? As the saying goes, the goose will always hang with the geese, but never with the dolphin.
That's what she said.
Augustine, I have so many questions. What? The whole stream, yeah, because I forget to then drink the. It's not that big. See? This is a standard mug. Okay, it's a bit bigger. Point is, it's... Yeah, okay, it's a bit bigger. My bad. Oh well. An old Alaskan saying. I've never heard that. It looked like Cocoa Puffs. Damn, Solly. Do I sleep in this mug? Wow. Y'all woke up and chose violence against mugs. I don't know what my mug did to offend you guys, but okay then. Wow, this price action. So again, this is the question about when the price action is like this. There's a few things we could do. Anyways. This is just for rip.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Bruh. Seriously? Seriously? Oh my gosh. Again, I always read your comments at the worst possible time because as I'm taking a sip of coffee that I read these things and I nearly like die. Anyways, waiting, woke up, saw price take run after breaking above 25618. Yep. Before touching anything else. Okay, Tyson, so I mean, this trade would ever so slowly and painfully, by the looks of things, be headed towards my TP. Again, slowly and painfully. So maybe I had the right idea, but again, my reasoning for not taking it, I still feel is valid. We have 5 minutes until 4. Let's see, maybe the price action improves by then. That being said, Asia session was crazy. Who traded the Asia session? For flower pot. Wayne, what's up? How's it going? Oh my gosh. Flower pot. Where's Rip getting? I don't know. Rip is just actually too funny today. Rip woke up on the right side of the bed and is like, today is the day. We're gonna try and see if we can get Maya to choke on her coffee again. With these comments. On a movie like it's called Maya's Adventures. Oh my goodness. David, I thought you were being serious for a second. Hey, Serbil, what's up? Nice. And how was it, Zubair? Because it looked pretty good. It looked like a decent session. This scene looking at the bottom of that mug. Oh, of course this is going in my direction just because I didn't take it. Okay, again, nice to know that these trades are all the price actions back to normal. Not Monday and Tuesday price action, but it's fine. If you stay too long, the mug stay. So first was the couch. Now apparently it's the mug. So what I'm hearing is we need to make giant mugs. Giant Teach Maya trading mugs. And those are going to be the merch. Right. Yeah. You can use it as a flower pot if you want. Okay, Rip. How does that sound? And yes, David can use it as a pool for his kids. Anyone else? What other comments were there? The Abyss, I'm pretty sure that mug is storing some souls in it. No, just mine. It's from the coffee, the top has cooled down, evolved in Hey, Tears of Prayers. Do I use SMC? I use some SMC confluences, yes. What's up? Again, anyone that's new, if you want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to. Here you go. This is the Discord. Zubair finally is moving. I know. Your stores off YouTube. Anyways, moving on. Okay, OTT wasn't just me. Nice. Of course, this is going right towards TP. Zubair, you took this trade, right? Is best for intraday. Damien, important moment, yeah. I'm watching the 4 AM. Oh, I'm waiting for the 4 AM candle. Let's see. Okay, minute to go. AM is going to want to take out the high. Gonna zoot that over to the side for a second. Okay. Probability-wise, all the way down there, it might want to retest a little bit further down. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Being zoomed in, this isn't terrible. The only terrible thing is the damn price action of today. Come on. Here's 4 AM. Here's the closing price for 4. Well, 359 before I get yelled at by Rip. We have potentially... Nope, never mind. I was going to say we've potentially created an imbalance. I mean, we low-key have. Retest down before taking out the highs. Okay. When we're going to chill on the Discord... Oh, Mike, you know what? That's a good idea. places. Oh, highlight, why didn't I enter? So I did have a valid reason for not entering. It was specifically because it just took out the Asia highs. And I was waiting for confirmation of, is it going to be a continuation, or now that it took out the Asia highs, is it going to be a reversal? That was my reasoning behind not taking it. But I put it up to kind of forward test to see what it would do. Oh, shoot. No, shoot. There, apparently, but I probably wouldn't have done that. That is the better range. Way more conflict. Yeah. Struggling to now break above. Short tears of prayer. I will send it now. So, am I on WhatsApp new? Took a short now. Oh, Damien, you took a short. What gave you that indication out of curiosity? Because it's failing to break above, right? Bit of an imbalance here. Would be better if stop loss was a little bit lower. Clearly the buyers, no, yep. The buyers do indeed want to take control. If it doesn't take out the high, no! If it reverses before it takes out the high, it could be a decent entry. Come on, 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 come on. Now come back, now come back, now come back. That was a good confirmation that I needed. Come on. Nope, never mind. Shoot. Solly, what happened? Double top maybe? I'm not... no, maybe not. Whoa. Okay, so that would have been a winning trade. Noted. Lesson learned. A+ setups. Just take it. It's now the second time it happened. Yesterday was the first time. This is now the second time, so just A+ setups, just take it. Don't be a silly goose. Don't be sad, just get a tattoo. Sorry.
That's what she said. Michael.
Oh no, Damien, that's okay though. What's happening? Okay, so it just took out the highs, which means the probability hit, right? It was A+, but drawn liquidity was swept. No, you're right, you're right, you're right. There was a valid reason for me not taking it, even though it was A+. It could have very easily been a stop loss. Thanks. Are you naming setups like they are energy efficient or not? B, A+, A+++. Yeah, Rip, that's what you do. You gotta name them so that they're nice. 1 hour fair value gap has been inverted, so should continue. Ooh. I still quite like this entry. It might not come this far down though. 12, this would be 10. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Scared the living daylights out of me. Where's my dog? He might be locked outside. You're saying good entry setup. But yeah. I took that potential continuation to New York high. This might run off without me, but at least I'm not chasing. I'm not using this range. Now that I took out some extra, it could come back further. Let me check the higher time frames. Nope, that's running away. That's going bye-bye. Yep, that's leaving without me. I mean, right, like I said, I don't hate this range. But 15 minute. Let me just close everything. Is getting into a little bit of a resistance zone here. Up when it taps into this fair value gap is a good level to keep an eye out for. Tapped in and breaking above, cool. I think this is going to continue at least until it pops into this fair value gap higher up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Come on. Retest. Come on, retest. 408. See, like that's annoying, but it is what it is. Would have been a win. Would have been a bit cheeky, but would have been a win. It's created a little imbalance there. Down, down, down. This would not be A+. This one's better as an A+ setup. I have my confluences good to go. I'm gonna tap into the imbalance. Let's see what happens. Okay. Do I still have the correct amount of contracts though? Not quite. Make it 8. Stop sell. Cool. Oh, you little brat. It's just going. $730, looking for $770. On that name. Oh, okay. Rip. I got it. You call it A+, do you have the data to support it? How many? Okay, I hear you, You're saying, is it valid to be calling it that? Oh, it respected that imbalance really well. You little son of a biscuit. Fine. That would be chasing if I did that. We don't chase here. We follow. Except, oh my gosh, it's running away. Low-key feels like chasing now, but It has not hit my point of interest yet. Who mentioned 770? Whoa. Okay, calm down. Calm down. What the heck, man? Alrighty, Roo. So we have some proper structure to go. Right, Kobe? That's exactly. Hey, NKX, what's up? Bernadette. Well, personally speaking, I don't know how. I created attempt here, but a lot of forward and back testing on 501.5 yesterday, but kept going and lost a little. No! Fish Doctor, no, I'm so sorry. 908. NKX 908? That's hectic. Okay. I want to say I still don't hate that setup, but I mean... A little overextended now. Very much into this point of resistance. Could create an inverse here as well. Let's see. Who got in on this buy, by the way? Get it? Bye. By the way, bye. Bye. Anyways, sorry, I'll shut up. Your stop loss break even, not moving and sweep, non-sweep, except. Ngu, no, exactly.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Future performance. High Life, I get that. I get that. High Life, did you get in on this? Sugar honey iced tea. Sorry, I'm deep in thought here now. Thank you for New York Station. Yep. I'm playing with Dax. Oh, okay, highlight. And how's Dax looking? Just get to buy even if it pulled back a bit. You think it wants to retest? I don't know. I think the reversal might happen during New York session, in all honesty, but I mean, sorry. But you never know. This might be continuation during London and then reversal happens during New York. It hasn't quite hit that fair value gap on all the time frames. There's a decent bearish, bullish, I lied, bullish fair value gap on 15, 1 hour and 4 hour. Starting and looking good. Oh, nice. Okay. Good trade, not the end of the world. True. And with most important thing is data across a long time and actually gather that data. No, true. 100%. Shoot. It is a bit overextended now. It's A plus though. It's A plus. Yes, I'm calling it A plus because it has, for me, an A plus, it has my 3 confluences, which means probability's on my side. Think about it, you have to.
That's what she said.
Hey, Muya, what's up? I'm saying that to help, don't get me wrong, but think about it. You have to put in the work. No, that's true. Damien, you're taking a cheeky short. You think this is manipulation? What? NKX? This push up to the buy side? You might end up trusting something that is dead. Dead? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Now you lost me. You had me, and now you lost me, Rip. What do you mean? Unprofitable. Hey Diesel, what's up? I think we hit my target 908. NKX, why is 908 your target, by the way? I didn't even go up high enough to see. What's at 908? I mean, I see there's an inverse fair value. Haha, these juicy equal highs. Is that yesterday's? It is. That's yesterday's Asia high. All those equal highs just sitting there. I'd be... It went back up, didn't it? It did. It missed me. If I did the smaller range, would have been break even now.
That's what she said.
Something that's not profitable basically long term. Oh, I got it. Wow, David. Hey Ambrose, what's up? How's it going? Come on, let's do level to level. Let's do level to level. We've got this. Level to level would be awesome. Okay. Well, I have it set up. If it comes down to get me, let's see. But I have my setup. This is what it looks like. Nope, there. Nah. There we go. One to 2R. That's the plan behind it. Let's see if it comes to get me. David, is this a feeder channel for a scam trading group? No.
Why are you doing this?
Welcome, David Morrill. What's up?
Way?
How's it going? Definitely not a scam. Take a time, New York or London. The backtest press for last year. Collect data on it, then you can find when rate are expecting risk of. I have 600 hours of backtesting over 5 years of market data on Trades Alert, but I have just been freestyling on there. Need to compile the data. Make a stupid symbol. If this, then that, and then see how your confidence spikes. The super scan. Don't join if you hate making money. I love that, Boom. That is amazing. Yeah, you heard it from Boom. Boom the man said it himself. Ooh. Okay, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Maybe, perhaps, probably. It depends that it does come through my, but I do not think it will. NKX! You gotta be... Nope, never mind. I was gonna say you gotta be positive, but... Yeah. that this is indeed running away. It's going bye-bye without me. I can still... Oh, okay. Vrijdag, wat die moer. I still don't hate the setup, I'm just saying. I still don't hate it. They're gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna come this far down, but it is what it is. Suppose that's short to Norica. That's okay, Damien. We need you more, man. Wow, there we go. What broker? Hey, Yalben, I'm on Top 1 Futures currently. They're having a 40% discount. I mean, Violin is having 84%. If you want to get that discount, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps. Yeah. So some awesome discounts happening. Sugar honey iced tea. Above weekly view app now. It's about to take out New York High as well. Seriously. Sad. Sad, sad, sad. Sad, sad, sad. Okay, New York High taken. Can we maybe retest now, please? Thanks. Please and thanks. Nope, we're just gonna keep running away. We're just gonna keep running away. Cool. Cool. Boom, busy being the best. Wow. Now we need your banters. Oh, I knew it. Boom, come back. Boom, where you at? 835. I would be targeting around this 821 level. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, I guess, at this point, but whatever. I mean, just took out New York High. Again, I want to say we can expect a potential pullback. I mean, it didn't do it earlier. Shoot, this also looks good. That also looks good. Hey, Crip, what's up? What are those lines? This is my GAN box. What's up? Hey, Michelle, what's up? I have to say that. No, boom disappeared again. 830 has to be taken first. Why is that, Tyson? Why 830? Nope, still just running away. Still running away. Brother Bean, come back. What would you call this? This wouldn't be like a falling knife. What would you call this? A runaway rocket. Right? No? Maybe? Annette, what's up? Broker using Top 1 Futures. Mine is too fragile. Damn. I don't think I'm too fragile. No, but you know, if you're chasing Okay, let's try English again. If you're chasing it when it's dropping, people say, you know, don't try and catch falling knife, right? So what would you call it if it's running away to the moon without you, but you're trying to chase it? It's not a falling knife, it's not falling. Don't try to keep up with a rampant rocket ship? I don't know. That's just FOMO. No, but it has to have a cool name. Like, why does to the sell side have a cool name like falling knife, but to the buy side it has nothing. It's just FOMO. Like, that doesn't feel right. I feel like it needs one. Hopping in front of a freight train. Ooh, Demonte, that's not bad. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. Done. 8:30 taken. 8:30 taken. Has it? No, it hasn't. Not. Oh, it's about to be taken. And 8:30 taken. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, now it might retest. There, it took out 8:30. We haven't quite gone up to 822 yet. This is very much overextended to the buy side now. That being said, it's what everyone thought yesterday during New York session, and it's still continued to the sell side. No, only got 25 bucks. Dax turned around. No, high life, but I mean, still whoop whoop, right? Circle, runaway train. Hey, it's me. What's up? Sorry, I keep wanting, when I read your name, I want to do the Mario voice. Mario voice. It's me. High life, by the way, I did kind of get something. I just haven't added it yet for when my brain malfunctions. Specifically because you asked for it. When my brain malfunctions, you know that thing where it looks like math equations are shooting out? Yeah. Another guy also trading, same streaming. Oh, nice. That's cool. Is he doing well? There's another yeah. Exactly. What was I trying to say there? Anyways, exactly was my point that I was trying to get to. Completely overextended. Can you imagine I actually took this trade? I do feel a bit dumb now, but it's fine. No, I had valid reason for not. I tried to get in on this one after 4. It didn't come and tag me in. I had my setups to try go to the buy side after confirmation that it was going to the buy side. It just didn't come far enough down to tag me in. So successful, unsuccessful day, if that makes sense. Well, no, we still have plenty of time. This could still come back down to potentially get me. Maybe. But like I said, successful, unsuccessful day. Just because a guy showed you some things doesn't mean you have to trust it blindly. Girl, we get at least 10 times brain. Okay, wait, high life, what would be better? Like a spinning disc or the math equations? Because I could try find a spinning, like, you know, a Google loading page thing. Just don't get your hopes up. Wow. Hey, Mike the goat. What's up? I agree fully and honestly, that's not the type of person I am. Gotta prove it actually works before I just blindly start risking my money of what someone else said. No, that's true. I'm just teaching into a lot of my own research to see if it really works. it will pull back. Hey, Ryan, what's up? Okay, but how far, Ryan? I think that's the next question. How far is it going to pull back? Is it going to do a proper pullback? Is it just going to pull back slightly before continuation to the buy side? You know, is this now the reversal? All these questions, always. Can you tell the overthinking has begun? Dun, dun, dun. Let's check the higher time frames. Holy guacamole. Whoa. Wow, this is ridiculous price action for a London session. Ooh, what can we expect in New York? Oh, New York's gonna be fun. New York is gonna be fun. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, we've nearly tapped into this fair value gap that I was mentioning earlier. We've nearly tapped into it, so there will be a reversal soon. Well, I say reversal, there will be a pullback soon. Actually, potentially a reversal. Interesting. Well, it's hit my point of interest, so, I must be cautious of taking a buy. Okay. Cautious of taking buys now, I would say. Now it's tapped into that bearish fair value gap. New York gonna be fun, then it chops. OTT, why would you say? Macans? Better? Oh, you're asking what this is? Sorry, this is Nasdaq futures. It's MNQ. What are you, just a silly goose? Yeah, but silly geese are fun, right? Right? We're all just a bunch of silly geese over here. Silly gooses for the win. I do, y'all. I do indeed use a prop firm. Top one future. Bam. I bet the New York will reverse at this rate. Mike, I'm agreeing with you. Well, that's just what I'm not even going to say prediction, because I don't like using that word. It's what I suspect. I think suspect is a goodie. I think potentially New York now is maybe going to consolidate a little bit. I mean, it could just continue freaking rising up and away. And then my suspicion is that New York is going to be a reversal to the sell side. Again, suspicion. Suspicion. No, you were supposed to pull back before you do that. Freaking bob level to bob level again. I search but can't find a better one. Maybe do that math symbol stuff. Ooh. Okay, wait. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. I need to open the door. I think my dog is locked out. Okay. He was indeed locked out. Give me a minute. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come on. Here we go.
Nice.
Here we go. See, he's super upset. I have to get him a sweetie now. He's so cute. Oh my word. Okay, he's unimpressed with me. Sorry, baby. Okay. sweeties, because I feel bad. I feel bad that he was locked out. Oops. The door slammed. It's not my fault. It was the wind. Oh, you're sitting so nicely. Thanks. Thanks. Sorry, I know that you guys are only here for Perry, so I thought the main man should make an appearance. David? David?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I'm so stiff. Okay. Oh my goodness, why are we screaming? I mean, to be fair, that's low-key how I feel right now. This is just running away. Okay. Did anyone get in on this long, by the way? Anyone? Anyone? Everyone's being so quiet. Did anyone get in on this? If you did, freaking well done. I'm gonna take note of this trade that I quote unquote missed. Gonna journal it on Discord just to see how often does it take out Asia High and then do a proper reversal. You know, is it valid to not take something because it took out? Again, you know, it's that back testing, right? Let me write. Where's it? Potentially making because I mean, can you imagine I left a freaking runner with that? Can you imagine I left a runner? Moving on, sorry. OTT, you waiting on New York? I'm gonna buy this and make it stop going on to Monte. That was hilarious. Well, you know, Rip, why don't you hop on one day and give us a little mentorship on the Discord? You can schedule a day, or Rip, you're not really interested in doing that. Mike the Goat, damn! What the heck, man? Well done! Push for the day and I took out Asia. Wait, what are you trying to... Oh, if it was bullish for the day and it took out Asia High, why not OTT? I mean, if you look, it could have looked like it was potentially going to then do a pullback. No, not really. I didn't. I wanted to. Who? Demonte? Oh, Rip. Because I was bullish for the 4-hour fair value gap waiting for the 15-minute PI, which I got, but my entry didn't get tagged. Oh no! That makes sense. The second sell in 5 and 15-minute time frame. Ooh, US 30. Okay. Wait. Normally pull back once liquidity is taken, but you have to take into consideration TSM earnings and semiconductors. Tech stocks are currently moving higher due to positive earnings. Okay, Tyson, that's valid. That's valid. Okay. That is valid. Okay. That chart looks like a supernova. No, this is ridiculous. This is... Yeah, I'm frustrated because it's actually a setup I had. I placed the setup, but I didn't place the trade. Because like I said, it took out Asia high. Lesson learned. It's fine. Again, just bob level to freaking bob level as well. Let's see if it rejects off, if it's just going to continue. The problem is I don't even know where I would enter in on this. Demonte, are you actually gonna take a buy now? Take note of this time frame. A30 News better clean up PA for New York Open. Yeah, 100%. This is the 1 minute. Rip, explain please, out of curiosity. There's no bottom. Literally! Out at 832 and 10 for the day, leaving one for 908 TP. Damn, NKX! NKX, you deserve this, because that's amazing. Whoop whoop. Indeed. Whoop whoop. Because definitely well done. That's a banger trade. That was amazing. End of weekly view app or 1 hour favor gap is retested. Into a long? Right, Tyson? You're thinking a potential long again. Took the weekly around there. Would still be this trade. I mean, freak. How big is this? 20 points. Okay, I mean, it's not the end. Again, kind of feels like I'm chasing a runaway train. Hey, Ripper tapped your level from yesterday. I mean, it just went right through it, but yeah. Haven't quite tapped into there. We did tap into the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 15-minute fair value gap. Shoot. This is ridiculous. Do we think it's headed for these equal highs? Ooh! Do we think it's headed for these equal highs? That could be a goodie. I see. 908 is inverse fair value gap. Oh! Is that what your TP is by that inverse fair value gap? If you don't go long here, then when? Stop flexing. What did I do? Especially with people who claim want to learn, they don't understand the effort put into this. It was a great set. It was. Oh well. Oh, NKX. Yay. So am I correct? That was it? Place a small trade long, learn something. I want to see if it retests a little bit first. Damn. Especially because it's popped into the bob level. If it starts breaking above, you best believe I might just mark it in for like one contract. I'm not going to say for funsies. We don't do things for funsies here. We don't have fun here, people. We are serious traders. We don't have fun. We have lots of fun. Is this the USA NQ? I think so, Mike. I don't know, I just guessed. No, Ben! Hey, Demon Kid, what's up? Mexico. Yes, continuation into PDH. So this could be a goodie. I mean, this would be 5, yes, correct. Yeah, this would basically be 5. time frames, it's not bad. And we have, quote unquote, some shelves. We have a fair value gap. I mean, that's not bad. It might want to retest further down though. Basically, stop loss is entry. Crying out loud. Let's see. Let's see if it actually starts to move a little bit, or are we just going to consolidate here slightly? I must remind myself to not let FOMO win though. Don't let FOMO win. Is this FOMO? This mother fluffer's going back up, isn't it? Hey, Gandicode, what's up? If I tell you take this financial decision, would you do it? How much is one future contract for USA? For the MNQs, Mike? Not that much. Damien, you think dump it? Hey, Papa Truff, what's up? Market follow full moon cycle. Hey, Hammer, what's up?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
That took me a second. I was like, who's talking to me? And then I realized it was the meme talking to me. Well, I'm assuming the meme was talking to Rip, but anyways. Is this gonna start declining like... Stay high. Okay. Leave it alone. 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 I do think it is overstretched slightly, but if it starts falling with some force, I might be inclined to say nope. This kind of looks like a deciding moment. Scalper short to 805. You think 805? Wait, NKX, where are you getting this from? Stop loss 832. I'm sorry, did you just say stop loss 832? What? 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 DeMonte, that it's at 50% from this little itty bitty range. Are you thinking about this full freaking range? This might be too big. Sorry, decisions. Trend changes every full moon data. Gander code? Are you serious? NKX, you guess. Oh, okay. I would personally use the full range. My only point is don't trust things blindly and don't make financial decisions if you have something to support it. That's my message. I mean, that's valid. That is indeed valid. Oh, sugar honey iced tea, man. 9 minutes, we've made double wicks. Who was it that mentioned the double or the matching wicks? It was Ricky, wasn't it? I remember Ricky mentioning something like that. Okay. Okay, damn. Imagine it now works. Imagine it now works. Okay, no, but it has completely overextended. This could retrace fully down to 0.5. I mean, the full range, 0.5. Hey, LVKEG. What futures am I trading? The Nasdaq.
Why are you even thinking this way?
84% off? Yeah, Bulanox. Damien, you think dump it? Not good to buy now. It's clean sell. Hammer, you think down to 25700. 25700? What? I mean, yeah, valid. Okay. Let's see if this does work. I don't know. If this does work. No, this is not gonna work. This is gonna start dumping. This is gonna start dumping. Oh my gosh. Okay, at least, well, I'm having fun. I don't know about you guys. I must come do something. Why do you say that, bro? Why do you say it'll be hard to collect data on it? Explain 1 to 10. Sorry, son. I read that and I was like, what the heck did I just see? A 1 to 10 hour trade. Did you enter the short? Okay, Wi-Fi had a tiny moment there. We still good? Oh, hiccups. About to run through. Let's see. I think it's just hit a meh point. That sounds weird, but I think it's just hit a meh point. 739 will consolidate for a bit. So essentially it's going to go back down to Bob level. Okay. No, but that's exactly, it's why I always appreciate the comments, right? Hey GX, what's up? Because you always learn from them. You always learn from something. You learn from your losses. You learn from this amazing community. The more information you have, the more accurate your trades can start becoming. You know, it's again, the more you practice, the luckier you become. And that's how you become a lucky duck and not a silly goose. We gotta be them lucky ducks. That reminds me, I need to message. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so many things I have to do this year. So many things. Like, I low-key need to try and decide if I need to just fly back up to Joburg to go to my tattoo artist, seeming as there's no decent tattoo artist down this side of the world, which is terrifying. GX not much. Wow. Hey Justin, what's up? Nice, where were you, Justin? How's it going? Oh no, no, you're speaking fast. I hear what you guys are saying, but there's a lot of buts that go into this. We could have some debate about I've lost English. We could have some debate about this. I do believe we'll go back up to grab liquidity before going back down. No, GX, what happened? Like, death fit. Damn, Justin, are you okay? Tough love. I feel no love right now. Just saying. Just saying. There ain't no love going on here. I don't trust this pullback. NKX, why? You think it's gonna just continue back down? Rain bet while you... Damien, what's that? Okay, but then OTT, there comes the argument again of I could be risking more than it's worth. Let's see what this does. It's about to tap into a fair value gap on ES. Oh, amazing, Justin. Well, welcome back to the land of the living. I'm glad you're better. I'm glad you're functioning. Sorry. Hey, Jules, what's up? How you doing? Okay. High time from a meeting off the batting up or swing low. If you decide to use, then drip to the 1 minute for entry. Right, here's the entry if the momentum continues. What entry for a short NKX? Or going back down. 258, 258. Oh. Let's see. We've now. I think it completely overextended itself. In all honesty, I think it overextended itself. Let's see what it's gonna do. Which time is London? OTT, I wouldn't say it's my favorite time. London has just been kinder. Put it that way. London has been kinder to me. I was gonna no, I'm gonna leave it. I was gonna say something. Gonna leave it. Come on, I just want to see what the plan is here. Come on, come on, come on. Seriously? Okay, maybe not. Not saying change what I'm saying, make it more systematic, not that if you miss the proper swing high and low on the 1 minute, then place a new can box. I hear you, I hear you. Okay. Sorry, I'm in deep thought today, which is not a bad thing. Not a bad thing, but look at these kind of steps. They have no future. Deadlift. Getting lost, no target, no plan, no target. That's well, I mean, that's why I haven't taken them. Right? The others, there was a plan and. These ones, I mean, I could argue that these beautiful freaking equal highs. Look at them. Wow. Those are very pretty equal highs over there are very valid. But it's fine. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way back up there. I really like those equal highs, but I don't think it's gonna go. Well, actually, you know what? The price action now has gone kaput. Apparently, what Rip said, their dad left. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Let's not offend people. But because now this price action is dead, I'm gonna leave these up because I'm kind of curious to see what happens. But I'm gonna leave these up. I'm gonna go to.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna go to the horses. I'll be back for New York session. Yeah, that was a very interesting London session. Unfortunate that there was no trade, but it was absolutely ridiculous price action up until now. Now it died again, but that's fine. So I'm gonna call it. I'll be back for the New York session. Good luck to anyone that is still trading. Careful of a potential pullback. Let's see what happens. But I love y'all madly. New York session. Be there or be square. That was very lame. Okay, I love you guys.